Welcome back. Python is installed, so let's set up Visual Studio Code, often just called VS Code, our coding cockpit for this journey. Why VS Code? It's lightweight, open source, and packed with extensions. It supports linting, debugging, Git, and even Jupyter notebooks all in one window. Open your browser and head to code.visualstudio.com and click the download button. The website automatically serves the right installer for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Run the installer. Accept the license, keep defaults, and tick Add Open with Code to Explorer on Windows. That lets you right-click any folder and launch it instantly in VS Code. Launch VS Code. The interface may look busy, but we'll focus on two zones: the Explorer on the left and the big editor pane in the center. Click the extensions icon or press Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Python by Microsoft. Install it. This gives you IntelliSense, linting, debugging, and notebook support. Once we create and open a Python file, you will notice in the bottom right side of the editor, Python, and the version. That confirms VS Code found your interpreter. If it's blank, click it and select the correct interpreter. Press Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command palette. Type Python Select Interpreter to switch versions anytime. Handy if you install 3.14 later. Quick win. Open Settings, Ctrl, or click the gear icon in the bottom left. Search Format on Save and tick it. Now every time you hit Ctrl-S, VS Code auto-formats your code using black style conventions. Memorize 3 shortcuts today. Ctrl-B toggles the sidebar. Ctrl, opens the integrated terminal. Ctrl-P quick opens any file by name. These save hours over a year of coding. Create a personal code snippet. Press Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command palette, type Preferences, User Snippets, and press Enter. Choose Python. VS Code opens python.json. Add this line between the braces and save. Print prefix P body print. Now type P and press Tab. VS Code expands it to print with the cursor inside the parentheses. Typing P and pressing Tab within a Python file will also expand to print, which we will get into later. Let's test everything. Press Ctrl-N for a new file. Type print VS Codeworks, or just type P and hit the Tab button. Save as hello.py and click the play arrow, top right of screen. The bottom terminal prints your message. Success. Recap. You installed VS Code, added the Python extension, set format on save, learned 3 killer shortcuts, and created your first snippet. In the next video, we'll build a dedicated project folder and write hello.py the right way. Don't miss it.